Good morning, guys. How we doing? So market opens in about 8 minutes. I'm being late to my desk this morning. Got caught up in some activities. But we have Ninja Trader Arena for today. Okay, starting in 7 minutes. We have T trades on the 26th. That's Wednesday. Yeah, I did have that on my calendar as 25th. That's tomorrow. So I'll change that. Doesn't concern me. Alright, so this is now 6 minutes. Alright, so let's go over the details. Let's go over the details of it. So product allowed MES and MNQ and MGC, maximum MES 5, maximum MNQ 5, max trade per session 2020, max session 12. So what this means is 4 trades, right? If I'm not mistaken, 4 trades on MES and MNQ max per day per session. I'm guessing per day, and we are the same as well. MGC 4, Euro 4 as well. So this is supposed to run throughout this week. So I might be trading Euro in London session. Okay, let's see how it goes. We're starting in about a few minutes from now. Let's see how it goes. 5 minutes from now. Okay. So that's it. 5 and 4. Okay, cool. That has been noted. So the account is CHG WMNF 1015. Alright, let's launch Ninja Trader. Alright, why do I launch it? Let's do a quick top-down analysis. I'm bullish today. I want to see a reversal, so I'm just gonna quickly mark the open up today. Right. Looking to see a reversal. So on the daily. That's interesting. We have not taken previous day low years, and to me this looks very bearish. Okay, now I'm no longer sure anymore. Bullish or bearish. Looking at the 4 hour, I'm tempted to say bullish, because of how we are respecting this 4 hour gap and closing in the premium of the gap. If I need to draw this out, you will see we're closing in the premium of the gap. What time was this gap? 1 p.m. What time was this gap? 1 a.m. So this would be Friday 1 a.m. Okay. This would be Thursday 1 p.m. Okay. So we are closing the premium of this gap, right? We failed to make another block here. I'm leaning towards bearish, looking at this year's chart. Dropping down to the lower time frame on years. On the 1 hour right now, the same thing here, failing to make order block. Okay, respecting this fair value gap here. First presented fair value gap of the day. Since 6 p.m. open last night. So, yes, looking very bearish. However, NQ on the other hand too does look bearish. I did want to see a reversal to this open. So maybe a reversal to this open, then we plummet down. For NQ, it looks okay. SMT here, yes, you can see it. SMT. We are also failing to close above this fair value gap, the first presented fair value gap. Alright, 2 minutes to open. Okay. Alright, so if I'm to pick a side, I say we buy at open and then sell, continuation for the day. Okay. Alright, drop down to the 15. But before that, let me take a look at what the so this is 6 p.m. open. Order block respected. Order block respected. To guess, I say we come up into here, take out this buy side and then sell. The market is open, by the way. And, yeah. And yeah, we could just drop right off the bat, Well, hey, let's keep our eyes open. So sell side picking here. Some form of sell side, that will be this low on the years. Taking. And we're still going down. Biggie. Okay, so new low of the created on NQ. New low of the created on NQ. Picking a side, I'll say I'm bearish for the day. Yeah, that's my stand. Final answer, bearish. So, I've not been able to log into NinjaTrader yet, so Alright, I haven't taken any trade so far. I'm trying to still get my Ninja Trader to open. I hate when this happens. Alright, so we've taken the lows. We've taken the lows on NQ, not on ES though. I want to buy right now at this point. I'm unable to log in, guys, on Ninja Trader. I don't even know what's going on, where the problem is from, but I am able to log in. Now I'm logged in and it's not connecting. Oh well. The markets have a funny way of, a funny way of playing. See how quickly we just dumped. No live demo account has been. Oh. Why is that so? Okay, let me try using Ninja Trader web. I wonder if other streamers are having this issue. Okay, that would mean people are already up 2K. I wonder how they're even able to trade and I'm not even able to log in. see trade. Okay, yeah. Word. Right. Okay. Let's stay on track. Let's not lose sight of the important thing, which is the higher time frame analysis. Because issues like this make people lose sight of what really matters, right? Is it just me, or ES has not been able to break lower? Boy, this is so clustered on the charts. What do I do? Alright, so that's ES 5 minutes. I want NQ. Oh, it's actually MNQ. Oh, no wonder people are not making so much money so far. MES. Right, how do I clean up these charts? Delete. Alright, cool. Delete. Give me 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. 3 minutes to end of current 15 minutes candle, and NQ has done nothing but dumb. ES has not fallen so strong. I want to wait for the next 15-minute candle because I look forward to seeing a retracement to a zone where I can buy. But man, this guy just keeps dropping. And ES started to drop too. Once the retracement to a zone where I can sell from. Oh my god, it keeps dropping. Alright, ES has made a new low. I'm not loving this so far. Alright, let me put a custom interval here. Can I have a custom interval? So custom time. Custom time. Can I? Alright, this is going to be 420 minutes. Save. Can I zoom in? Can I be able to? Unfortunate. I think this is based on trade of it, right? So it's quite tricky to use. I think there's a sweep here. I mean, I cannot. I think there's a sweep here, so lower price is expected. Alright, cool. I have NQ and MNQ. Sorry, ES and MES. Can I have that same custom time here? 420. I'm waiting for the new 15-minute candle. I don't want to chase this, but then I realize I'm in a competition, and not chasing does not help my cause. So there you have it. Bearish price action expected. Boy, we've already expanded so much. Alright. Okay, let's hope for some retracement. Man, what ES was not falling before. How come it's dropped? What? How many points now? In the worst case scenario, I don't get the retracement I'm looking for because I can't even get it anymore. It's created a new low. I was thinking we close somewhere up here and just retrace back into this fair value gap and then drop. But hey, look now. At this point, it's looking like it might be my best interest to try to catch some kind of buy. So that was 30. And kid just keeps going even without. Oh man. But that was just annoying, isn't it? Alright, what am I expecting of the high time frame for this? It actually sucks, waiting for, a setup. Only to not get anything. Alright, that is the buy I was trying to get. I was trying to catch you by. I didn't, I waited because NQ and ES were doing different things, and now boom, the buy comes in. It's trying to tempt me, but I'm just gonna wait it out. Because right now, why this is very tempting. That's about 70 points. Why this is very tempting. I don't even want to look at this throughout today, to be honest, because I'm still at 0, and there are people who so trade into this, whatever this is. I wanted to buy. I did. Okay. So ES does get that retracement. Okay, it's closed. It's not there yet. I would like to sell ES from in and around here. So I'm going to use ES as a signal for NQ. That's my plan. If we can get up here, it would be nice. If we don't, however, I'm not going to sit back and watch the trade go without me. So once I get the bullish, bearish close here, I'm going to take it. About 9 seconds. I hate this boy. I'm taking the trade very low, but hey, what can I say? My stop would be here. So I'm selling by stop, similar by stop. So that's what it's gonna be. If I get stopped out on this, I'll be pissed, to be very honest. I waited, I didn't wait fully, but I waited. So I'm gonna be really pissed. This qualifies as a CIST, doesn't it? Let me look at it on this chart. Reacting on 50% of the candle, right? I'm expecting it to hold. That's the previous 15 minutes candle. Man, left over 200 points on the table. By waiting. Okay. I have more confidence on this trade, so I'm just gonna hold. It is terrible though that I wasted all these moves here. But part of the system is waiting, and I mean at 28,985. If this were a live trade, my stop it would be 28,985, 15 plus 35. That's 50 points. 50 point stop. I'm looking to make 75 to 100 points. So my take profits would be somewhere at 885 to 910. I'm just gonna go ahead and put a line at 910. Do not like this trade of its user interface for any reason. You know what? Let me do this. So I'm selling by this. Drag it down. Yes. Uh-oh. Very thoughts. Oh, there goes my stop. Neatly hunted. And ES seems to be leading the charge for the hunt. Them rats. That's something a bit poetic. So it will be unwise to start to chase buys right now when the market is bearish and my bias is bearish too. I'd like to wait for some confirmation before I begin to chase buys, but I'm going to get stopped out on this trade. It's looking like that already. In the meantime, I was trying to do not like this. Auto fit charts. Cool. Nope, didn't work. Off. Alright, good. Be stopped out on ES. Not an NQ yet though. Down here, I wanted to take longs. Alright, I think for 10 o'clock right now. That's when I expect to see next proper movement, 10 o'clock. Alright, stop that on NQ as well. Mouse issues. The button stuck on my mouse. This is not the time for this, to be very honest. Okay. Alright. Okay, 10 o'clock is open. The market has manipulated us out of our position. I really should have just longed. Yeah, it's almost 100 points. At At least I would have been up $600. Alright, waiting for retest of this inversion fair value gap to be able to. Wow. I have a button stuck on my mouse. That is what's causing all of these problems. Okay, so 10 o'clock is open. I'm waiting for this retest. So because we haven't retested this was why I didn't begin now to chase longs. While it might look like a good idea to long, I still want to see that retest. There's a chance we even come up high into this point. But it sort of pisses me off, that I missed this move back up. Simply because when I wanted to long, ES was ready for longs, but NQ was still going lower. That distracted me. If not, I would have gotten in longs on both of them. Although NQ would have yielded nothing, but at least ES would have yielded something. Okay, so we have that retest now. I'm waiting for a 2-minute candle close below. How do I know? It's saying about 1 minute. If we close below here, then I take that trade. Alright, I want to quickly have my lunch. I'm just gonna watch. Wow. Really? You just had to, didn't you? Wow. This market is not interested in having me trade. Oh man, I don't want to chase it. I'm gonna wait for it. So I'm gonna open a sell limit there. Once it's activated, buy stop. Once it's activated, I would. Oh man, come on now, take me along with you. Once it's activated, I would just enter market. Okay, that's just disgusting, really. That was 1 hour. Chasing it there is. Some days the market just tests you and tests your patience, tests your ability to just, come on, go back up and take me along with you. My entry for this one will be here. And my stop will be somewhere here. That's over 1 hour. If your market order into this price action and get the retracement, I will be pissed, really be pissed. That's almost 40 points. Alright, what about we? No, it's pointless. There's no point trying to size down. I just realized you're not able to see my charts for okay, this is what I've been talking about. So this is where I want to come in from. This is where I want to go in from. This is my stop loss. It's over 1 hour. If I try to trace it from there, I'm trying to learn good habits this time around, and this market is not making it easy. It's not making it easy at all. Okay, so if we get tapped in on ES, I would consider market entry on NQ. Come on now, a little bit higher now. Come on, just a little bit higher. My mouse goes off right at the point where I need it the most. Come on now, just a little bit higher. I have to just get a market entry down here. I would be very angry if we go back up to retest those. Okay, let me see. Give me 3-minute chance. Give me 3-minute chat as well. On the 3 minutes, we've not even formed another block yet. That's interesting. And here we have, so I would say this is a standard entry point if you're trading the 3-minute chart. You know what? I'll just enter the trade, bring my stop down here. So there goes my stop. My stop stays up there for. I'm just gonna close out this. Yes, and sell markets. And the same thing here. Sell markets. So I took a 3-minute entry. That's how I would rationalize this. You know. Some persons at 8K while I'm down $270. All right. So I'm gonna mute this stream. I wanna have my lunch. So this will be my second trade for the day. Considering that I have about 5 trades in a day, I was not so aggressive today. Okay, let me see if I can find anything on MGC. So I'm gonna minimize this. I want to see lower prices today and tomorrow, so I might hold this overnight. If it doesn't go back to stop me, then I'll hold this overnight. But let's go back to that chart. I like how this is. Oh, you can't even see the charts. Alright, so sorry. So this is my entry on ES, stop losses here. Entry on NQ, stop losses here. So I like how we tested fair value gap. How we also took out all of this liquidity here and tested this fair value gap again. So this makes sense. Okay. I would like us to continue to go lower for the rest of the day. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. So yeah. So I was saying how that's a regular trade. I'll be looking for 75 to 100 points. So this is 988. 75 will be 913. So my take profit will be on the normal account, will be somewhere here. Somewhere here, right? My take profit on the normal account, and the final take profit somewhere around. Let's try to make this a 2-hour trade. a 2 hour trade. This is 988, 12 points to 29,000. That's 52 points. So 2 hour trade will be 104. So 100 is 888, 884. So somewhere here as well. 884. Look my final TP, right? On a normal trade, on a normal prop account, I'll be looking for something, just this little. But I want to hold overnight on this competition. Let's see how it goes. So we have people that are already up 4K. Nice. Anyways, the goal here is to last very long in this. It's for the whole week. So the goal is to last very long in it. Minimum level of entry currently is at 35. So alright, so I'm gonna mute the stream. Let me put these drawings up on trading here so you can watch trading view chats instead. In the 3 minutes here we have short into somewhere here. Stop loss somewhere there. Let me verify. Alright, just at the bottom of that candle. Yeah, that's perfect. So I'm just gonna let that free. Okay, I'm just gonna move to 2 hour just because we would normally target 2 hour. The reason I did not take a buy down here, having a perfect, trade from here up to there, that was my idea. Was because while this was going up, NQ was going down. So now we stall. You see, I absolutely hate days like this. You wait for the right entry, you do the right things, and then the market screws you over by ranging when you finally get into a good trade, a supposedly good trade, after you waited for all of your. Interesting how we did not go into this fair value gap. I find that very interesting. Let me check on this guy. We certainly did get there on this one. Alright, let's hope it just falls like that without having to go back up there. But if we go back up there, I'm not going to be happy. Alright. My entry on this guy is okay, let's go back to Trader Web. So it's not really my fault that I didn't begin on time to trade. I had issues with my platform opening up in the Trader platform, so I had to quickly go down to go over to web platform. So alright, let's mute the stream so I can have my lunch. It's already getting cold.
some stopped out on NQ, forced to reconsider, being forced to reconsider long or short right now, to be honest. I'm gonna just go on and re-enter the short again on NQ. I still think the short is still valid, so I'm just gonna say I'm getting a better entry, right? Re-enter short on NQ, right up there. Stop. So I'm gonna adjust my stop. Yes. Yeah. So my stop on NQ will be where my stop on ES. So my stop on ES is reached, then I'll close out. Shooting against every rule I have. This is what's very annoying about when you decide to wait and then the market doesn't offer something to the back for you. Things like this, I just chase this thing down on the paper. I also realized we could keep going higher at this point. Up to the fair value gap. To keep going higher up to here. So I just set my stop on here. Right now, prices are both 10 here. There was no stop that on ES. That would be the end of my video today. Just close this thing, close my chart, and cover my date. If we enter somewhere here, and my stop is almost in there. If I keep the stop that on ES, then I will close all my trades. you.